And so it begins. The radiator will come out tomorrow. Radiator's out. Lines are disconnected. Motor's drained to oil. Transmission's drained to oil. Now I just got to get all this bullshit off the motor. Okay, so the radiator and fans are already gone. Got those out of the way. Now, this is all the room I'm working with to get between the shock tower and the manifolds. And it's even worse on the passenger side. There ain't no getting turbo piping through that bullshit. My wiring harness is over there. Fuel lines are hanging off that side. So I've kind of stalled out. I can't get this fucker off, which means I can't get the timing cover off. It's pissing me off. So I got the fucker off. If you want to know how. It's not a punch, but it works as one.